Tired of your marketing reports feeling like they're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? Let's unlock the power of landing page data in Looker Studio. First, open your Looker Studio report and click the Add Data button. This is where we'll connect the source containing your landing page information. Now, choose the data source that tracks your landing page visits, such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, or even a Google Sheet if you're manually tracking landing page performance. Once connected, find the landing page dimension. It might also be labeled as page path or something similar. Drag this dimension into your report as a field. It will act as the key to unlocking insights about each landing page. Next, create a table chart and add the landing page dimension to the chart. Then add metrics like sessions to see traffic, bounce rate to evaluate engagement, and conversions to measure effectiveness. To visualize performance, consider using a bar chart to compare landing page conversion rates or a time series chart to track trends over time. For advanced analysis, create calculated fields. For example, you could calculate cost per conversion by dividing ad spend by the number of conversions from a specific landing page. By incorporating landing page data into your Looker Studio reports, you gain valuable insights to optimize your marketing campaigns and improve user engagement and conversion rates. Now you have the tools to take control of your data.